All right, folks, we're talking about two topics today. The mic jack on Baofeng radios and the Kenwood speaker mic here. As I've showed in some past videos, I use a Kenwood speaker mic on my Baofeng radio, and the reason is that Kenwood two-pin speaker mics have the same pin arrangement as a Baofeng radio. Now let's talk a little bit about the jack on these Baofeng radios. I've got the port open. You can see that's where I plug my speaker mic in. You also notice that this jack is a couple of millimeters recessed into the radio. And not just Kenwood speaker mics, but some Baofeng branded speaker mics have a little problem plugging into this jack. This one should be fine. But the problem comes in because this is recessed like this. On some mics, this housing is quite wide and the mic does not properly seat in here. It gets to a certain point and it doesn't seat any further, and your mic does not quite work right. So that's something to be aware of if you're having problems with the speaker mic, is this plug might not be fully seating into the jack. Now if you have a wide plug, some people do shave it down so it fits correctly, seats in there. The second problem, where speaker mics seem like they don't work right, is the user does not fully seat the mic. They think they pushed it in all the way, and they haven't. So it's important to make sure that the mic jack is seated in there. Fully seated, very firm,